Let it go. Let it go.
Так, во-первых, поскольку вас запечатлеют на видеопленку, я же не буду напоминать вам, что нужно вести себя как следует.
Что ты сказала, о достойнейшая?
Иногда, мне кажется, и вы, по моему взгляду, уже понимаете, что я хочу сейчас сказать.
Я превратил бы ее в колоду, на которой мясники разделывают бараньи туши.
Очень хорошо сейчас там будет видно, понятно? Так что, пожалуйста, try to keep in your head. Окей?
Значит, мы начинаем. Начинает эта команда, Ионя.
Не-не-не, давай вообще просто объясним все сначала, прежде чем начать. То есть как оно будет происходить в голове порядок, чтобы
Мы начинаем, то есть каждая команда представляет свое имя, девиз, приветствие противоположной команде. Значит, выслушиваем одну команду, потом вторую. Потом мы все садимся на свои места. И начинается сам КВН. Значит, мы вешаем задачу. И вся команда думает над решением этой задачи.
Нет, думают обе команды.
Ну, я имею в виду, каждая команда думает над решением этой задачи.
Засекается время. Значит, каждая команда, первоначально мы говорим, чья это задача, какой команды. Решают ее обе. Значит, проходит 5 минут, и представители этой команды, чья задача, должны написать решение.
Да, выйти нам на доске написать решение.
Вот. Если у вас будет неправильный ответ,
то вторая
команда может дать
правильно.
правильно. Тогда они получат очки, вы нет. То есть пробуют решить все задачи обе команды. То есть если та команда, для которой предназначена задача, ее не решит, значит вторая команда тоже может получить за это очки. И наоборот, значит, когда у них будет задача, тоже вы ее можете решить и потом тоже дать ответ, если они не решат.
Причем баллы будут учитываться, значит, чтобы разные люди решали по одной задаче. То есть, чтобы не было так, что один и тот же человек из команды решает все задачи.
Ну, это уже так.
Желательно, чтобы выходили к доске.
Решать вы будете коллективом,
да.
не то, что решать, но выходить, давать ответы, ну, не все время один человек,
по очереди.
А разные люди выходить. То есть вы решаете,
представители,
принимаете решение.
Только чтобы было красиво написано на доске и правильное решение. Понятно?
Так, теперь еще. Значит, в это время, пока команда решает, вы можете, конечно, переговариваться и совещаться, но не орать. Тихонечко. Во-вторых, все остальное время тоже уважать друг друга и не мешать, то есть поведение должно быть нормальным. Значит, и потом, когда у нас пройдет основной конкурс, да, тогда будет конкурс капитана.
Да, в конце конкурс капитана.
А поскольку задачи капитана не дают друг другу не дают, уже не команде, а просто друг другу,
друг
да?
другу, они выходят. И это устные задачи, которые они задают, которые нужно решить.
Устные?
В принципе, устные должны.
А они
Ну, они могут подумать, то есть задают, допустим, первый капитан задает второго.
Нет, давай уж тоже зайдем там хотя бы поскольку ты тоже минут, просто
естественно.
допустим, отдельно.
Да.
Из одного можно сюда посадить, другого за тот стол и дать им там
несколько
тоже те же минут подумать, потому что я не уверена, что то, что они подготовили, это устные задачи.
Мы решили, чем тяжелее, тем лучше.
Нет.
Так, ну что, мы желаем вам удачи, обоим командам. Мы надеемся, что победит дружба и ваши математические способности.
Тогда, поскольку это все-таки эксперимент, мы еще никогда не пробовали ставить такого, будем надеяться, наш эксперимент окажется удачным. Самое главное, вы покажете, вывод у вас хороший, вы покажете, на что вы способны. То есть знаний-то у вас хватает, нужно еще просто немножечко уметь стандартно.
C-O-M. You can find us at www.com to the second power. Math is fun, you're learning fast. Concentrate and do your best. Решайте быстрее задачи. Мы вас желаем удачи. Pick up your pencils and give us some answers.
Как вам приветствие дали, а вы давайте похлопайте.
Быстрее похлопай.
Так, Ницца, твоя команда. Ну, делай шаг. Вперед, девочка. Ну.
give me a T, give me a L, give me a C. Go TLC! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Math is cool, math is fine. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do it with your pen. We're gonna drain your brain with our difficult questions from all our different sections. So get some rest and rest your best. Our very hard test.
Guys, problem number 1. I will read it now loudly. The first problem is the age of a man is the same as his wife's age with the digits reversed. The sum of their ages is 99 and the man is 9 years older than his wife. How old is the man? Если вы так громко это сообщите. Готовы? Ready? Кто выходит?
And the woman is 45.
Okay, the answer is correct. So, I think we leave an explanation or not?
No, just try and check.
We have two conditions here. There's some, let's check. Sum of the ages is
99.
and what was second condition?
That they're supposed to be reversed.
Digits reverse 54, 45, and the third condition is?
That the man is 9 years older than the woman.
Okay, good. Thank you. When the sum of two whole numbers is multiplied by the difference of the numbers, the result is 85. If the difference of two numbers is not 1, what is the sum? When the sum of two numbers is multiplied by the difference of the numbers, the result is 85. If the difference of the two numbers is not 1, what is their sum? Go ahead, 5 minutes.
The sum is 17.
Brenda?
The sum is
That's it? You don't want to tell them anything else? Explain.
I divided 85 by 5 to find,
That you tell everybody.
because to find the multiple of 85 and to see how to make the sum of the difference. Then 85 divided by 5 is 17. And then I saw that if you add 11 to 6 is 17, and 11 minus 6 equals 5.
So what?
Then I use all the words of finding 17. And 11 is 6 is 17, and 11 minus 6 is 5. And so, and 5 times 17 is 85. The difference is 5. And the sum is 17.
So what are your numbers?
11 and 6.
Your numbers are 11 and 6?
If you add them, it's 17.
If you add them, write down your numbers. So when we add them, we get 17. When we subtract them, we get
5.
and when we multiply some with difference, we get 8. Correct. I have exactly 10 coins whose total value is $1. If 3 of the coins are quarters, what are the remaining coins? I have exactly 10 coins whose total value is $1. If 3 of the coins are quarters, what are the remaining coins? Clear? Okay.
and 5 pennies.
Explain why.
Because if there's 3 quarters, it's 75 cents, plus 2 dimes is going to be 95 cents, and you added with 5 is going to be $1. And we have already 3 quarters, 3.
So we need how many more coins?
We need 7 more coins.
7 more coins. And the only way to make the remaining quarter was correct? Good. Okay, next problem. Cheryl spent exactly $1 for some 5-cent stamps and some 13-cent stamps. How many 5-cent stamps did she buy? I'll read you one more time. Cheryl spent exactly $1 for some 5-cent stamps and some 13-cent stamps. How many 5-cent stamps did she buy? Clear? Так, ready? Так, team decide who will tell them. Come here. Now, the question was how many 5-cent stamps did she buy?
First, I multiply 13 times 5, find a multiple of 5. Equals 65. Then I added as much 5s needed to get 100 pennies or $1. 65. So, $1 minus 65 cents equals 35. 35 you do divide by 5 equals 7. So she bought 75-cent stamps.
And the question I have, why you were looking for multiples of 5? Why you multiply 13 by 5?
Because you can't, 13 is not a multiple of $1. So I turned it into a multiple of 5. So I could get how much stamps I need. So that's 7 stamps.
Why? Why you were looking for multiples of 5?
Because we need to, because $1 is a multiple of 5. 100 is a multiple of 5.
Okay.
And 13 is not a multiple of 5. So you have to find a multiple of 5. And then
Why? Still didn't get. So 100 is multiple of 5, okay. But why you multiply 13 by 5?
because she bought 13 stamps too that day. So
Not 13 stamps.
13-cent stamps. So she bought 13-cent stamps too. So we have to include 13-cent stamps in that dollar.
Okay, and then why you have to this side? Okay, it's numbers. So the answer is correct, except $65 is too much. Okay. Так, next problem is a square has an area of 144 square inches. Suppose the square is portioned into 600 rectangles as shown at the right. See? How many inches are there in the perimeter of one of the 6 rectangles? How many inches are in the perimeter of one of the 6 rectangles? The square of this rectangle, this square has an area of 144 square inches. And this square is divided into 600 rectangles. What is perimeter of one of these rectangles? Clear? Now, who will tell the answer? Yeah, welcome.
Since it's 144 and there's 6 squares, that is 144 divided by 6 will be 24. Then since there's 4 sides in each, that is 24 divided by 4 equals 6 inches.
Luna, did you read the question?
What is the perimeter of one of these 6 rectangles?
So write down on the blackboard what you said. What is your answer to the problem?
6 inches.
Yeah. The answer is wrong. Do you have other answer? That's it. Do you have an answer? Yes? Okay, you want to sit down? Steve, what is your answer?
We know that 144 divided by 6 equals 24. So that means that one of the rectangles is 24
What is 24? What do you mean? Rectangle is 24.
inches.
So what is your answer?
24 inches.
Yeah, the answer is wrong. And you both teams. Now, and you both teams did the same mistake. You mixed up both ideas, perimeter and area. It's not the same thing completely.
So back to
ABCD is a rectangle with area equal to 36 square inches. Points E, F, and G are midpoints of the sides on which they are located. How many square units are there in the area of the triangle E, F, G? Now, time is over. Now, who is going to tell the answer? Now, first please tell your answer, then explain how did you do it.
my answer is 9.
Write down.
First, I found half of the whole rectangle because here it's divided in half. Because there's a midpoint. And the area of A.
Stop. I'll make you a picture so you can, if you want to show us something.
This is 18. The area.
Don't say this. Tell me what
The
this
area. This line divides the rectangle into 2 halves because from the midpoint. So the area of this is 18. Because there's
What this? What shape is
of
this?
this rectangle.
This rectangle is 18. Okay, then.
And this is and the side is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 1.5.
Say it again. I didn't get it.
The side is 9 before.
Why?
Because 36 divided by 4 is 9.
And why you're dividing it by 4? So,
Oh, and this is 18. Half is 18 and half is 36. It must be 9.
why? Why? You want to help him? Try.
So this part is 18, so this is. So we could divide like this, so
Right.
so this will be 9 and this will be 9.
Why? What will be 9?
Like if we divide it with say into squares.
Why do you think that they're squares?
This part will be like this one. So we
Okay.
divide it again, we can select it. So that divided by 2 will be 4. And here divided
What
by
will be?
4.5. And here will be 4.5. So doing 4.5 plus 4.5 will be 9.
It's better, but the only thing that there is no squares there. You can talk about areas, but it's rectangular. You don't know if it's square. It's never said that it will be square. Huh? Okay, sit down. now. The answer is right, but explanation was not correct. This explanation is much better. If camera case together costs $100, if the camera costs $90 more than the case, how much does the case cost? Clear? I'm sorry for the inconvenience with the question.
It's 95 and the case was $5.
So what is your answer for the question of the problem?
$5.
Write down. Okay.
Put the dot.
It's there, but nobody can see it. It's so pale. Okay, now explain how did you do it.
We know that it's 90, that the camera costs 90 more than the case. So it can't be 10 because if the camera costs 10 and the case costs the case costs 10 and the camera costs 90, it will be only 80 difference. But it's supposed to be 90 difference. So for 5 and 90, 95, then this will be 90.
So you use try and check, yes? Okay, good. The answer is correct. Got ready? 2 cash registers of this store had a combined total of $300. When the manager transferred $15 from one register to the other register, each register then had the same amount. How much did the register with the larger amount have before the transfer was made? If it's done from one register to another, how many registers? Now, who will tell the answer? Christy? Okay, go ahead. You answer first of all. Steve, maybe you will close your mouth already.
The answer is $165.
Okay, the answer is correct. Now, please tell how did you do it.
If the total is 300, so that when they didn't take the $50 away, the other amount was $135.
How do you know?
Because 300 minus 165 would be 135.
But where did you get 165? What you're telling me, Christine, now, you're proving that your answer is correct. But I'm asking you, how did you find the answer?
If 15 minus 165 minus 15 will be.
Where did you get 165? How did you do the problem?
If each register had equals, if when they transferred $50, each register had equal amount, that would be 150.
Yes.
So, therefore, if we have 15 to 150, that would be 165. And if he put $15 more to keep in the other register, that would be 155.
Okay, good. The answer is correct. Stop. Next problem for the team. See, I will talk about kindergarten. Now, ready to listen? It's not completely quiet. Ready? If a kindergarten teacher places her children 4 on each bench, there will be 3 children who will not have a place. However, if 5 children are placed on each bench, I do the equation? Stop.
We don't know how many benches there are, but if we put 4 children on each
First of all, what is your answer?
7 children.
What else do you want to say?
Should I dance? Should I dance?
Right? Then let's check it.
If you put 4 people on each bench, then 3 will be left over. But we don't know how many benches. Maybe there's only 1 bench. So we do 4 plus 3 will be 7. And then put in 5 children, then there will be 2 empty places. So we do 5 plus 2.
Why will we 2 empty places?
It says, but if we put 5 children, then 2 empty places. It says over there. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Maybe there's only 1 bench.
Okay, and this bench is for how many children?
So if
Then your only bench is for how many children?
if the first
Your bench is for how many children? You said there will be 1 bench. For how many children?
the first time you place 4, the other time she can place 5.
Okay, так, your team. Do you have other answer? Так, Jerry. Okay. With what you're going to help?
I'm gonna have, so if there are 4 people on 1 bench and 3 will be left. If you try 5, then 2 will be left.
So you're repeating what she said. What did you help?
6 will be 1, and 7 children there will be none left.
I didn't get what you're talking about. First of all, go and put everything from your mom. You're very nice.
7 children on 1 bench, and there will be no places left, and no children.
Why are you talking about 7 children in 1 bench? Sit down, please, Sonia. What you're saying is complete nonsense. Так, все, кто-то еще? Now with it, that Team TLC, do you have other answer for this problem? You don't have the answer?
12 children.
No, it's wrong answer, this is wrong answer.
14?
No.
9?
No. All the answers are wrong.
10.
3, 6, 9, 12 are some multiples of 3. How many multiples of 3 are there between 10 and 226? How many multiples of 3 are between 10 and 226?